Hello everyone, this is just a quick video to update you on a couple of things that are coming soon to the channel. Firstly, I've had a few requests to make an updated question and answers video. I think the last one I made was almost 2 years ago. So if you've got any questions for me, woodwork related or otherwise, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them all in a future video. Secondly, at the time of recording this, the channel currently has 44,752 subscribers, which means it's almost halfway towards earning an official YouTube play button plaque, which I desperately want to achieve, and it would be great to replace this wooden one that I made on my channel some time ago, which was to celebrate 20,000 subscribers. Anyway, I really wanted to do something special to celebrate 50,000 subscribers when we get there. So as a way of saying thank you to all of my subscribers on YouTube and supporters on Patreon, I've contacted all of the tool companies that have ever approached me to work with me to ask if they would consider making a donation so that I can do a big giveaway on my channel featuring some really nice prizes. And I've already had some incredibly generous offers, which so far include the Hitachi DV18DBFL2 brushless combi drill with 2 3-amp batteries. It's a similar model to the one that Hitachi sent to me, and it has an all-metal chuck with a ratcheting lock, which I've really enjoyed using so far. It's a really high quality drill, it's got some great specs, and the retail price is around £200. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below if you want to find out more. Also, the Evolution R25 SMS sliding motor saw. This is a brand new saw from Evolution. Their saws are well known for having blades which are able to cut through different materials, including metal. It's basically an improved version of the Rage 3 saw that I got to try out a couple of years ago, and I was really impressed with it, especially in terms of value for money, as these saws are relatively inexpensive. I think the retail price is around £150. Again, I've put a link in the description box below if you want to find out more. Also, a £60 voucher to spend at FFX, a tool retailer based in Folkestone in the UK who sell a wide range of power tools and hand tools and have an online store with some really good competitive prices. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below too. Hopefully I'll have some more prizes lined up when the giveaway begins, which will be when I hit 50k subscribers. Or perhaps I should say, if I hit 50k subscribers, because I don't want to jinx it. So I'll post another video to confirm more details about the giveaway, if or when that happens. If anyone from a company such as a tool company is watching this video and wants to help with prizes, please get in touch. My email address is in the description box below this video. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.